Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Thursday, October 7, 2021. So if you look at the immediate S&P 500 chart, right now the market, the last couple of days they tried to push it back up, but we still not out of the wood yet. The overall trend is still get stuck at the downtrend line here. So we need to see more on tomorrow and next week to see that the market be able to break out and continue to go higher, or they will fail at the sell zone here and continue to go to the downside. So we already complete more than a 5% correction. So depended, how the market they want to do here. So this is 5% level. If they can break out, we will continue to the uptrend. But it failed to break to this level, and they still have a potential to continue to go down to the downside. So we have to take a look day by day to see any good news come out. Tomorrow we will have a non-payroll report so that we can see how that number come out. That we can create some volatility, and let's see how the trader they will react to that news, and then we can see that potential to put it back up to retest and break out, or they will give up at this level. So you have to pay a little bit attention there. If you look at the Nasdaq, it also pushed it back up in the last 3 days, but they hit to the resistance, so they hold up there. So tomorrow we need to see, the technology top able to push it higher, or they have to pull back down and then punch it back up, so they can come up and tap the 50-day moving average also. So we have to take a look to see how they lay out. In the other hand, the Dow is a little bit stronger. They'll be able to get back here, but they get stuck at the sell zone also. But they'll be able to break the trend line, they pull back. So if they can hold on to it, they will push it up. But if they fail to break to that level, the Dow still have a chance to go lower. Okay. If you look at the Russell 2000, which is more skeptical, they are getting better. The last 2 days they push it up. So technically this one here they do in the sell zone and buy zone. So if they can continue the momentum, they need to come back and retest the sell zone here. But if they pull back down, and then they have a support down here. Okay, so technically we are still in the sideways choppy. So we still have to stick with that until they be able to clear up that area and show you more the future where they are going to go. If you look at the crude oil, it's very bullish. You can see here they continue to make it high low and put it to the upside. We have some resistance here in the 63 there, but right now oil is still high demand. The whole world is shortage of oil right now. So oil and natural gas it kind of more demand right now, so they will continue to put it to the upside. In the other hand, gold is still choppy sideways here, so they break out, but they are still the downtrend, so they may zigzag here, but overall trend is still in the downtrend. If you look at the natural gas, the natural gas is pretty strong there. They go up, but now they are too standard. So, but they have to hold on to the upside. But this one is kind of too standard already. So you have to watch out for that. If you look at the Bitcoin is still bullish, but they hit to the level, the first level of resistance here. So technically they need to pull back a little bit before they can build momentum in order to break out this congested area here and move higher. Same thing like Ethereum, it also gets stuck at the resistance. So they run up too fast here, so they need to pull back a little bit before they can continue. If you look at all the sector of the S&P 500, you can see that the energy sector is still pretty strong here. They come back and test that area a couple of times. So let's see if they can be able to punch through it, or they will go sideways a little bit before they can break it out. So a lot of stock in this sector, they are still doing well. As you can see here, there's a couple of stocks that we highlight. They also very strong in the last couple of weeks here. This one here, if you follow me, those stocks that we already highlight them for the last couple of weeks, very strong move. Okay, FANG, FANG is also pretty strong. CNQ, okay, and now they're trying to break out that level there. LPI, this is one that we give you like down below here. Now they go straight up and continue to push it up. A lot of stuff is very strong to the upside, but a little bit extended. So in order to buy those stuff, you need to wait for them to pull back. Okay, don't try to chase it in the up high here. The risk is very high, but the overall trend is still bullish. If you look at the financial sector, that the next sector we're talking about, it's still very strong. They try to break out this area here. They tried a couple of times, but they are still failed to break out. So the market needs to get some deal, like infrastructure deal, so that the money will flow before those guys they can break out and continue to the upside. But a lot of stuff is still doing well. Like you can see here, JP Morgan, we highlighted for you. SBNY, this one here is also very strong there. Bank America, for example, is still pretty strong to the upside. The technology stock, they get suffer heavily for the last couple of weeks here, but since the last couple of days they try to put it back up, but they still need a lot more work to do to move higher. But some stock in this sector is bouncing back hard, like ETSY. You can see here they pull back 5 support, continue to pump to the upside there, and Unity also another pullback support and get up very quickly. SUBS, that's another one. Okay, they pull back down, follow support and continue to the upside. So today I see it something change in the China market ahead of the Joe Biden meeting with Mr. Xu from China. So a lot of China stock try to rebound. So let's see, this one is the dead cat bounce, or they will be able to follow support to move back up. So I'm going to show you 5 stickers that you should take a look and put into your watch list, and let's see how they lay out. First one is Alibaba. Okay, so this one here, they have been down for a long time here, so they continue to go down, but today they gave up and then very strong momentum. So this one is the first sign that the dead cat bow here, they still have a lot of work to move to the upside, but in the short term look like they try to rebound to the upside. So this is one of them. Second one is the Baidu. Okay, this one here is also put back down, follow support. Now if they can clear that area here, they will find a room to move higher. JD, that's another one that they go sideways. It's not severe like Alibaba or Baidu, but they are follow support. Now they try to put it back to retest the high here. And the next one is the TCEHY. So this is another one. It's very similar to the other stock. They follow support. Now they try to find a way to put it back up. And another one, for example, like Weibo. This one is also follow support. Now they looking forward to put it up to the upside. Okay, so that is 5 China dead cat bow stock that I want to show you. So beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we'll handpick the best stock every week and analyze them in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis, so please click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on the weekend market forecast. Take care, everyone.